Hi, I'm Zach Murata, the production manager at Lighthouse Studio. I wanted to give you a look behind the scenes at our high school narrative workshop, which is part of our Summer Film Academy. In this workshop, some of our most experienced high school filmmakers spent 2 weeks writing, casting, producing, filming, and editing a short film. Some of our best student work comes out of this workshop. In this film, 1700 Pounds won the Audience Award at our Youth Film Festival. It's also gone on to 4 national film festivals so far. I hope you enjoy this look behind the scenes, seeing some of Charlottesville's brightest young filmmakers at work.
We came up with our idea. One of our one of the members in our team, he showed us a picture on his phone of this cow.
I went to the Madison County Fair and I met this boy and I talked to him about his cow, and he knew the cow's exact weight and his name, and he went and hugged the cow.
I wanted to demonstrate the bond between a person and an animal in a way that would be taken seriously.
Got to work with sound, which I don't really do often, but it was really cool.
Clapboard, co-director, I guess.
I operated the camera for most of yesterday.
Script reading.
I directed and operated camera 2 when necessary.
Yeah, it was just, I was trying to get precise camera moves because our scene had involved a lot of a character standing up and sitting back down.
For directing, it's such a small crew, you can't have a director and an AD, so I was kind of both. I do all the calls, so camera, rolling sound, mark the scene, all that stuff. And then when it came to the content of the scene, I would help direct the actors.
Well, I've never gotten to work with actual hired actors before.
We had awesome actors, and it was nice in a controlled environment.
It's the overall experience has been very funny.
We all meshed really well.
We have some funny people.
I feel like the best time for me, the funniest time is just when you're around with your people and you're bouncing jokes off of each other.
So one of our actors, they went through a whole box of cereal in a span of 30 minutes to an hour. They just kept eating the cereal before we started filming.
He'd already eaten an entire bowl.
That was really funny.
Yeah.